Hi guys, so this is an old Briggs and Stratton engine that was at my grandpa's house, and we're gonna try to maybe to get it run, hopefully, but we may not. It's just gonna be a fun project to work on. Take it apart. We'll put other videos of it taking it apart and stuff. It's been sitting outside for a pretty long time. There's a lot of mud on it, and pulley's really rusty. So yeah, we might hopefully maybe get it running. I don't know. It's a 3.5 horsepower. So it's, I don't know how many cubic centimeters it is, but it's a okay size engine. Okay guys, this is the spark plug. If you can see it, it's very corroded. It's not good. And so here's the hole in there, if you can see it. In there, it's pretty bad. It's pretty corroded. So I don't know what this engine's gonna look like, what the piston's gonna look like, but it's gonna be pretty bad. So we took off the fan, I don't know what you call it, the fan shroud or whatever, and there's a giant spider web there, and it turns back, but it doesn't want to turn over, so I have to get something like the vice grips or something to turn it over. But yeah, we took off the whole thing. Oh, there's I think that's I don't know what that is, a coil probably? Huh. So yeah, we're getting it apart slowly, so. Okay guys, I just found this giant bug in the fan shroud. I don't know what it is, but I think it's a cockroach. So there's a bunch of roly-polies in there too. So yeah, it's crazy what kind of things live in here. Okay guys, so this is the piston and the valves. We took it off, and it's pretty, yikes. what that is. It looks, never saw one like that. So I don't know. So I'll take the valve springs out, which might be a problem because I do not have a valve spring compressor. I may have to get one. Or I might just keep them in there. See if I can get the intake valve to close all the way, because it does not seal, I don't think. So I don't know, but the engine opens, closes, the piston goes up and down, so that's good. So I went through the carburetor, and it has no float. So it's a very interesting carburetor. So I don't really know how. I mean, I know how it works, but there's no float to it. So here, this spring goes right, and that spring goes in there. I don't know what that is. So I don't know. I have to see, because this thing goes right in here on the gas tank. The gas tank is over there, we go. And this thing just goes right in there, it lines up, whichever way. But there's no float that I can see. So it must have some weird design thing, I don't know. So, yeah. So that's good that there's no float. It's just, I don't really know how to work this carburetor then. So, I don't know, hopefully the engine will run still. Oh.